In today's video, we will try to learn purchase entry, credit purchase. For this, we will take an example like 10 pieces of salwar have been purchased from Miss Sunita. For this, we will go with vouchers. Then we can see the purchase here. We will click here or press F9 on keyboard. We press F9. Here put the supplier invoice number. I want to put like 1. Date, I want date as it is. Party account Miss Sunita. Here we have Sunita account. If we don't have, then we will create one. But we have now. For this, we will click this Miss Sunita. For now, we will skip this. Purchase ledger will be the purchase account, but we don't have any purchase account, so we will create by pressing Alt C. Here create purchase account. It will be under purchase account. Except name of the item, the name of the item is salwar, but we don't have any salwar item, so we will create one by pressing Alt C. Create like salwar. It will be female garments pieces BOM. For now we will make it no, accept yes. Purchase, we want to purchase 10 pieces, so put the quantity 10. The rate, I want to put 1000. Accept. New reference name is 1. For now put the narration being 10 piece of salwar purchased piece of salwar purchased from Sunita. Accept yes. We'll see the entry. For this, come here stock summary, then click on female garments. Here we can see this salwar. If you will press enter, we will see the all entry. Here 10 pieces of salwar inwards means we purchased it. That's it. Thanks for watching.